All right, what is up, creative capitalists? So I am super duper. Oh, I gotta close the door. Hold on a second. I didn't realize the door was open. Y'all know I'm loud. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Anyway, what's up, everyone? I'm very excited to announce that I am teaching a continuing education course over the summer. I'm actually teaching. Let me back the bucks up, okay? I'm teaching 2 credited business courses online during the summer. I'm actually going to post that schedule below in the course announcement. So sign up if you need a couple of my classes over the summer. I'm teaching Business 110. Obviously, some of this will go to the Business 110 classes, so that won't be you. Am I teaching Business 1? I should know what I'm teaching, shouldn't I? I'm teaching Business 139, Entrepreneurship, and I'm teaching Business 151, People Skills, both online during the summer. So if you need those courses, sign up. In the fall, I'm teaching a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of amazing things. So both online and seated. So I've got the schedule of courses I'm teaching over the summer and fall for your viewing pleasure. Sign up. Let's rock it out. You know, we do well together. Anyway, that being said, I'm also teaching a continuing education course called Tackle Time and Master Money, Life Skill Power Twins Unite. Some of y'all are too young to remember the Power Twins where they click their rings. But anyway, so 2 of the life skills that I'm super duper passionate about is time management and money management. And the reason why, because time management and money management are 2 of the biggest contributors to our lives and how we effectively tackle and manage our time and master our money definitely speaks to our quality of life. So a lot of times in school, I know growing up, nobody talked to me about money. I thought, I watched what was gone before me in terms of money and budgets and stuff like that, and it didn't work. And so same thing with time, right? I was always a hot mess when it came to time and money, right? So over the past couple of decades, yeah, I'm that old, when I realized that, you know what, time management systems and workshops weren't working for me, and money management budgets weren't working for me, I kind of came up with my own. And I came up with my own time management system, which is killer, and money management system, which is amazing, based on stuff that didn't work for me that I actually retrofitted or in piecemeal of things that did work. So I'm very passionate about these 2 things. So I'm teaching it. It's a 2-part series running from May 21st through June 25th. It's on Tuesdays from 6 to 8:45 here on campus. Again, Tackle Time and Master Money, Life Skill Power Twins. So I put the flyer on the course announcement. I also what's really cool about this is I also attached the registration form, because this particular This particular registration form also includes a tuition waiver. So the continuing education course is $70, right? But you do have the option, if you qualify, for a tuition waiver. And my understanding is, I'm looking at my hair, I realize my barber missed a little spot right there. I'm gonna have to talk to my barber about that. It's a little uneven right there. But anyway, I digress. If you qualify for a tuition waiver, what I learned is most JCC students do qualify for a tuition waiver. Fill it out. You got nothing to lose. So either way, whether you have to pay the $70 or you get the tuition waiver, it is worth your investment of your future you. So that's one of the attitudes towards money. It's the whole thing. Let me tell you something, y'all. The reason why most money management systems and most money budgets don't work is because you need to have the right attitude towards money. And I'm going to talk about that, right? But First thing I want to talk about is getting your mind right towards your attitude towards money, because once you have the correct attitude towards money, now you're positioned properly to really be able to utilize and step into mastering money. And you'll be surprised once you get the flow how amazing, and this is going to revolutionize your life. Same thing with time management. Once you get the proper perspective on time, rather than you working for time, time's going to be working for you. So anyway, I encourage you guys to sign up. Like I said, it's a 6-week course. The first 3 weeks I'm covering time management, because we got to be able to manage our time before we can master our money. And I'm going to talk about the reason why. May 21st it starts through June 5th. It's $70. I got all the forms and the flyers below. You got to look at this as a return in your investment, folks. It's not about, oh man, a summer class and it doesn't even count towards credits for anything. And man, aren't you worth the investment for a better you? Aren't you worth investing in your best future you? So that being said, y'all, I got all the forms up there, both the 4-credit schedule for those of you who enjoy my teaching style and my living classroom. I've got what I'm teaching for the summer and what I'm teaching for the fall, and I've also got the flyer for the continuing ed, the Tackle Time and Master Money, as well as the registration form for that, which also includes the fee waiver. So, hope to see you in some of each. Y'all have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Peace out.